This is Code.org. Let's see what we're up to. Sign language quiz. This app allows the user to test their knowledge of the sign language alphabet. The user enters a text guess based on the image, then an output of a smiley or frowny face is shown. If the answer is incorrect, the correct answer is given. All right, let's see what it actually does right now. Boom. Oh, are these... Okay, so some of the pictures work. Okay, and then I'm going to say B. And it was V. Okay, this makes sense. So what are we going to do? Rewrite the check answer function to integrate the parameter so that a selection global variable is no longer needed. Okay, this is a lot of stuff. First, what is a global variable? This is, and so is index. Any variable that's set up way up here that everything can have access to, so any function can make use of these variables because they're declared at the tip top of a program. That means they're global. Now, let's say I have this variable named x equal to 0. Okay? I cannot use x somewhere down here. Why can't I not? Because x was created right here inside this green mouth thing, inside this function. So if I try to use x in this function, well, that's too bad. It's contained here. It's limited to that area. I can't use it within another function. I could only use it if it was up here instead. So now they want us to kill off selection by using a parameter. So first things first, check answer, I want to add the parameter. I'm going to hit this little arrowy thing, boop, and selection. Bam. Okay, so we have that added. Now we need to figure out how we can make use of it. Oh, and I should get rid of my X example. There we go. So we're already using selection here, right? So that's good. However, they want us to get rid of this global variable. I want to know everywhere selection is used. Aha! It's being used right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to be able to pass this data to selection. So right now, selection is equal to whatever text is entered for the letter input. And so if I click on design, guys, just to make sure, you can see correction box, letter input. So that's how I know that's what it's referencing. I can also hover. So it gets the text from the letter input box, it sets it to uppercase, and that's what it assigns our selection variable. So that would mean when I hit run here and I put T, selection right now would be equal to T. It runs check answer. It says, what the heck is check answer? Smack. It runs this method. It says, okay, selection is equal to T. Does that equal letter.index? Letter.index, what's the letters? Oh, the letters are coming from the American Sign Language table, and it's an uppercase T down here. So, and it doesn't match, so it doesn't work. So I'm going to actually go ahead, reset, and I'm going to expand this out now too, and I'm going to drag this get text directly into here. I no longer need this selection, and I can kill off this global one. That's because instead, I am passing this data directly to my method. So when I say get text letter input to uppercase, when I entered T here, right, it was being set using a global variable. Now, when I enter T, get text letter input is still equal to T, and it says, okay, I need to run the method or the function check answer. Where the heck is check answer? Smack. It runs this, and it says, oh, but what selection? Huh, I don't know. Where was this called? Here. Oh, selection is equal to whatever text is in the letter input right now, and we're going to set that to uppercase. So we still pass the value, but we're no longer using that global variable to run all of this. Now let's see if I can get some of these right. I do not know. Is this A? E? Yay! Oh, try it. That one doesn't work. I got one! And we're going to stop there. Onward.